Distinguished members, I welcome you to this training once again. We are going to continue from where we have ended. I want to remind you, all those who are having challenges, please, your challenge will be resolved. I've seen some of the challenges, and some of the challenges has to do with wrong naming. You see, in my video tutorial, I give simple instruction that is to ensure that you label your field as I label my fields. And some of you went ahead and named the field the way you are. And when you are putting in the formula, you didn't specify that name that you used to name the fields. You are using my formula, alright, but the field that you have named is not the same field name that you are using in the formula. And for that matter, you are getting some error like English, class text, and the rest. For those of you having issues of query is complex, you have to send me the files so that I see how I can simplify that query or formula, so that issue of query is complex will be resolved. Thank you very much. Let's proceed with what we are learning today. So in our previous lesson, we're looking at the registry. That's what we were working on. No, not a registry form, not registry. I believe we're working on the student details. Yeah, the student details. It seems like mine wasn't created, so I have to do that. Okay, so I have saved it, but I don't know how it appears not to be here, but that is not a problem. I will go to create, and I'll go to form wizard. I'll select a field. I don't need the student ID. I'll take it back and say next. I want a columnar, and then next. I want to open it from the modify the form design. So finish. Okay, this is what I have. So let me do this change fast. So school name, school motto, okay, without wasting my time, I'll pause the video and do this so that the video not be long. Thank you. So let's continue. So this is what I had. So you can space it out now. You can close the gaps. Okay, close the gaps. Close the gaps. And make sure everything is equal. Close the gaps. Okay. I'm closing the gap. Closing the gap. So do it for all of them. Okay. Ensure they are all of equal size, and the space in between is also the same. Okay, this one is a little bit, it's okay. So you take your time and do your own nicely. So screw So scroll down and ensure they all have equal size. Equal size. So you're doing it for all the fields. Okay. You can add any touches that you think you can add to make it so nice. It depends on you. So here I would say school details form. Okay, and I can reduce the size to 18. Okay, I will select here and give it a shape field of our usual color, and the text will be white, and I'll bold it. Okay. Let me reduce the size more and send it. Okay, so you can add some formatting here. Okay, you can add some formatting here. It's saying here is too big. It's not having the same size. So you take your time to do that. So let's view it and see how it is looking. This under the form view. Okay, this is how it is looking like. Let's do some things. Let's change it to design view. Okay, you can format this. And give it a nice color. Let me see. And the text color will be white. You bold it also. And let me view it and see. Yeah, I expect it to be creative. It's not looking nice. It's not looking nice. So I will change the color to transparent, and the text color will be automatic. And let me view it and see. So here you can, I'm really concerned. It is having some background color. I will remove that. So come to the format, and then you make it transparent, and let's see how it look like. Still, I don't like the way it's looking. I leave it to you for you to do some. Leave it for you. Now here, we'll take the data from the term attendance. I believe we have created a column for attendance. So we'll go to data or event. No, let me see. Datasheet caption. Let's create a caption. Let's give it a caption. need to give the caption. So we have school details form. School details form. So click on the class name. I believe we need to, if you look at the class name, it's supposed to be okay. The class name is already done. We'll have to work on this. We didn't fill in this place. Okay, let's go and fill in. Let's add some details. So let's go to the school detail table. So locate the school detail table. Okay, so let's assume the attendance here is for 50. The vacation day is 21st December 2023, and we are open on the 7th February 2024. Let's say the school head is Constec, and then the class teacher, let's say the class teacher is Moses. Okay, so let's refresh here, and then I can close the table, and then I'll refresh here. Okay, so we are going to change here. Let's change it to layout view. You're going to change here to right click here and change to combo boss. So under the combo boss, you go to data and we go to row source. Click on the 3 dots and then add table. Okay, the table we are going to get that information is from the school detail. Or let me check something. Let's close this. So you're going to get it from the term table. So let's do that. So let's go to design. No. Let's go to data and click here and look for the term. So click on the term. We only need the third name. That's all. You save. Let's run it and see. Okay. You save. Just save. Close and just close it. Yes, save. So here will be, if you click here now, if you change the view to form view, it will be this thing for you. Okay, to be okay. So the class to work on the class also. So go to design view the class, you go to data. First of all, change, right click here and change to combo bus. Then come to data and come to the three dots over here, that's the row source, and look for what? Class, and you only know the class name. So you close and you say yes. Then when you go to form view, here can be selected. Okay, here can be selected. Okay, now let's make some touches. I can see the form is looking somehow not nice, so select all, select all, select all, and then go to format, shape outline, put it at transparent, and then shape, put it at transparent, and let's see how it is looking. Okay, so let's change the view to layout view. I'll change it to form view. Okay, design view rather. Okay, transparent. Let me see. I don't like the way it is viewed. It is viewing in this selection. So expand this and reduce the size. Okay. Design. So I don't know why I prefer a transparent color, but at the end of the day I end up getting so yeah, transparent. So it depends on you, do what you think is best. Now let's go home and go to data, select the whole of this form, select the whole of this form, and come to format, give it the school name, school details form. Okay, auto center, yes. Navigation button, no. Border size, make it dialog. Record selector, no. Okay, so let's view the form. Let's see. So we are not done. Come to design view and make it a dialog. So let me see, we should make it a pop-up form. Data, event, orders, make it a pop-up form, and then modal, yes. So now if you go to form view, Okay. I prefer you do some formatting. We are not done. Okay, we are not done. So I click here to go to design view. I believe I can add some effects. Let's go to format. We can do conditional format. We are not interested in that. So I'll leave the formatting and the design to you. I'll leave everything to you. I leave all that to you. Okay. I leave the rest to you. So we are not done. We'll add the rest of the fields. Okay. So we come here. Okay. So select everything. Reduce it. So okay, so what we need to do now is to add the fields, the rest of the fields. So we're going to add the rest of the fields. So go to design and go to add existing field. First of all, we are going to bring the school logo. So position it nicely. So select this and bring it here. So school logo, upload school logo. So upload school logo. So go to, let's say, format. Let's read the size to 10. So come here, the size. Select this, move it the way you want to move, and bold it. Okay, add a nice color here. I'll give it a shape outline, this color, and then I'll right click and go to special effect. I'll select this one. Okay, then this one too, I'll give it a shape field, and then I'll put here as white. Okay, so it depends on you. So let's view it and see how it is looking. So go to home and go to form view. So I can add, click here and then I'll locate for a picture. So I'll just click on I'll pause the video here and add the picture. So I'll be using our logo. I'll be using Ereda logo. So click on open. So okay. So this is it. Okay, so that's looking nice. So let's change it back to, let's right click here and go design view, select the picture, and then go to property sheet and go to picture size mode and make it stretch. So we'll do for the rest of the fields. So add existing field. We're going to do for headmaster. So click on yes. Or better still, we can delete for this and select this and copy, Ctrl V to paste. So here, so go to property sheet, then go to data. Here you change it to head sign. Okay, and here you change it to upload head signature. So let me do it here. Signature. It's too big, so it means I have to reduce the size. So I'll also reduce it. Let me see the size. Is it the same? See, they have the same size. Okay. So I'll undo that, and so you select this and you move it like this. So I'll copy the whole of this and copy and paste. Okay, so here I'll change the, go to format. Okay, I have to change the record source. Okay, select here and go to data. Here supposed to be control source, supposed to be the last person. That's the class sign. So here we'll change it to let's change it to class teacher. Class teacher. So let's view it now in form view. So we can position it to the top so that it will be able to look nice. Okay, so I'll move it a little bit. So I expect your creativity here. So let's expand here a little bit. It's okay. So let's view it once again and check how it's looking like. Okay, it's now good now. It's now good. Okay, it's now good.